Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change PDF background color to white background using PDF element. Open your PDF file. Now select edit option and select here background option and select update background, and now click this color option and this background color option. There are many kinds of white background color. This one, this one also. I'll choose this white background color and opacity. Also you can see opacity and finally select apply, and see this all of this pages background color now white, and select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.